Okay, so today we'll do the experiment to prepare temporary mound of onion peel. For this experiment, we need an onion, dropper, slide, cover slips, glycerine, water, watch glass, forceps, needle, one paintbrush, cut onion pieces, saffron and stain, and some tissue. So here we are going to start the experiment. So for this experiment, I have already cut down onion into rectangular piece or square piece. So I am picking up one onion with the help of forceps. Okay, and from its concave part, I am trying to take out one peel. I am putting it in the watch glass, and in the watch glass I am putting little water. Yeah, one more piece I am taking. From its concave part I am trying to take out one onion peel. Okay, so I got two pieces. Now I am putting it in the watch glass. Now I am opening this stain. This is saffron and stain. This is red in color, and this is used for staining plant material. So I am opening, and just I am taking one drop of little bit, not much. Okay, I am putting little bit of saffron in the water. Little more. Okay, so here we have to be careful that the staining should not be more, so it is optimum. Little bit of coloring we want, otherwise the cell organelles will be transparent. Okay, so now water is quite colorful. So now I am taking one slide. This is a slide. I need to clean it with a tissue paper. Quite gently on both the surface of the slide with tissue paper. Yeah, it's clean. And similarly, we need to clean cover slip. Okay, so I have one cover slip. I am cleaning it. So with the help of brush, I am transferring this stained onion peel over the slide. Gently I am transferring it. Yeah, so the onion peel is transferred. I have taken it. Now I am spreading it properly. I have spread it also. Okay, so I am keeping it in the center of the slide. Now I am taking a little bit of glycerine. So this is glycerine bottle, and from the glycerine, just a minute, I need to open it. I am taking one drop of glycerine over this, just one drop, neither more nor less. Yeah. So now I am going to put the cover slip on this. So for putting the cover slip, you hold the cover slip with your thumb and middle finger or the first finger. Okay, and gently with the help of this needle you make an angle of 45 degree, and slowly you drop the cover slip over the needle, and then slowly you drop it over the material. So in this way there will be limited air bubble or there will be no air bubble. Okay, now my slide is ready to watch. So now I am shifting towards microscope. So here is the compound microscope. On the compound microscope I am keeping it on the stage of the compound microscope, and now I am fixing the slide with two stage clip. Okay, now I will be watching this slide under low resolution. So low resolution, okay, this is the low resolution, and I am adjusting it with the help of force adjustment screw. Yes, I can see tiny, yes, many cells, so many cells, so many onion peels, so many plant cells. So cell wall is clearly visible. Okay, but many other cell organelles or the internal part is not visible, so I am shifting to 10x. Yeah, with the help of revolving nose piece I have fixed into 10x. Yeah, resolution is much better. I can see bigger version of cell. Now I am fixing it to 45x, which is the highest magnifying lens of the objective lens in my microscope. Wow, now cell is quite bigger. I can see cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus and vacuole. Many other parts are not visible because in a compound microscope it is not possible to see endoplasmic reticulum or mitochondria kind of cell organelles. So now cell is ready. So this is our experiment. Few precaution about this experiment. First precaution is that we should not over stain the material. Okay, and second thing, that when you are putting the cover slip, there should not be any air bubble coming inside the slide. Okay, so the experiment is done. So now you can call your teacher after this experiment and show your slide. And after the experiment, you need to clean all your workstation. So what is done? Thank you so much.